Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Naila Abdi from the platform of Reed's School and College. We thought it's time for this beautiful month to start with a beautiful session as well. Before I start this session, I would like to bless you all with a very blessed Ramzan. अल्लाह करे कि ये रमज़ान हम सब के लिए बहुत बरकतों के साथ, बहुत अच्छी चीज़ों के साथ आ जाए. हमारे पिछले कुछ महीने बहुत बुरे गुजरे हैं. अल्लाह करे कि आने वाले सारे महीने हम सब के लिए अच्छे हों. Today we are joined by Sara Usmani, founder of Mindful Guide. Sara has been a very renowned counselor in the college level. She has been abroad. Her degrees are all from abroad. If I started talking about her credit, तो हम पूरे time इसी पे बात करेंगे. Alhamdulillah, she has a very beautiful thing. Today's topic that we are going to talk about and Sara is going to take us through is all about A-level, a journey. Assalamu alaikum Sara, thank you so much for joining us on this session. Sara, ये एक जर्नी है, ये एक सफर है. क्या बताएंगी इस बारे में, इस सफर के बारे में जो हमारे बच्चे 2 साल के लिए करते हैं?
Walaikum salam and thank you for the introduction. Regarding the journey, just getting on के A-levels क्या है, and I know it sounds very silly to go into what is A-levels क्योंकि आप सब कुछ you all registered and realized it is the advanced level, लेकिन it is one of those areas of education which opens up, I think, and it's an introduction to adulthood क्योंकि आप बचपन से you're going to grade school class 1 से लेके grade 9, 10, 11 वो भी थोड़ा बहुत आखिर मिनट में भी पढ़ने से भी you're able to get by, but A-level education is called advanced mainly because आपको एक you're put in an environment जो बहुत rigorous है, considering कि सिर्फ 3 subjects है, 8 subjects से लेके 3 subject जो typical एक route होता है, 3 subjects से usually कितना मतलब how can there be so much stress oriented to that, and it is because क्योंकि आप you're entering a new level of your own development. आपकी खुद maturity एक दूसरी किस्म की होती है. You're entering a time where you have subjects that are at a very deep level of understanding, जहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सोचना है कि मैं बाद में क्या पढ़ना चाहता हूँ या पढ़ना चाहती हूँ, and what I want to do later on in my life. So it's a very critical 2 years जो आपको एक मौका मिलता है where you're able to see कि अच्छा this is something I really want to do in life, or this is something I really don't want to do in life, be it medicine or engineering or law or all of the other options. There's so many. I think there's about 55 subject choices that one has. So going into having all of those choices and then deciding, अच्छा अब मैं क्या पढ़ूं? तो अम्मी अब्बू of course in the best of intentions वो कहेंगे कि ये पढ़ने, and कोई teachers भी शायद कहेंगे कि नहीं देखो बेटा you're good in this, but the support that you get at a school is incomparable. क्योंकि school वाले जो होते हैं, they're usually when you're entering an A-level school, they specialize in this and they know कि अच्छा एक student है, they've come from O-levels but अब वो थोड़ा early adulthood में भी आ गए. So let's see where we can support the student into entering a time which is more significant for them. So like I was mentioning, it's a new level of maturity and it's also a chance to start looking into कि मैं क्या बनना चाहता हूँ या बनना चाहती हूँ. So that is what the journey is. जी.
Sorry for interrupting you like that. Lekin Sara, I have always had this concern and issue when a child comes in, उसके दिमाग में होता है कि उसको या तो sciences पढ़नी है, बायोलॉजी केमिस्ट्री फिजिक्स या बायोलॉजी छोड़ दिया, उसकी जगह उन्होंने कंप्यूटर साइंस ले लिया या प्योर कॉमर्स के सब्जेक्ट्स ले लें. व्हेन इट कम्स टू सोशल साइंसेस, चिल्ड्रन हैव अ वेरी ऑड आइडिया कि सोशल साइंसेस पढ़कर फिर हम आगे क्या करेंगे. देन पेरेंट्स आल्सो have a concern. What do you think? Social sciences इनको जब बात सब्जेक्ट चॉइसेस पर आती है, you were just talking about that कि जब बात सब्जेक्ट चॉइसेस पर आती है तो किस हद तक बच्चे
Ji. So I'm not sure if you can hear me right now because you've gone a little offline. But what I agree. I think this is the So when you have anything like that, where you have anything where you are going into the sciences or any of anything that is very sciences में वो medicine हो जाता है or pre-engineering, and in any things, when you have these two choices, you're not able to. I'm sorry, I have a son in the background. I don't
That's
know.
okay. That's the beauty of online, no?
Of working online and working from home. What I was mentioning is that there are, when you have medicine and you have pre-engineering, ये बहुत हमारा पाकिस्तानी curriculum आ जाता है इसमें. That is what I think. हमारा जो mindset है वो बहुत, because वो pre-med है, it's pre-med, pre-engineering. So Cambridge has introduced a sort of newer new age education जहाँ पे आपका ठीक है pre-law भी है, but arts जो होता है, which is generally poorly looked upon, because हमारा जो industry, Pakistan industry है, we are not very catering towards the arts department. This is, I would say, 1960s, 1970s का थोड़ा ज़माना इसमें. अब जहाँ पे हैं हम in 2020, when the world is, we're working now online and not even being face to face, this sort of environment now is opening up so many opportunities that are in arts or social sciences and humanities, where there's so much growth and there's so much opportunity. In fact, I would say people who go for MBA, though all respect for those who do MBA or who do law, they're very stuck in it, because what ends up happening is that हम वही पुराने ज़माने के जो पिछले generation का जो mindset है, we're sort of stuck in that, कि यही एक रास्ता है और इसी तरह हमें success मिलेगा. वो इतना saturation हो गई that there's no real opportunity for growth. And for places जैसे Facebook, for example, there's, I mean, the person who created it, even, I mean, there's a part of it that is very creative. It's very artsy. It's very new age. And that, I feel, comes up with the social subjects, social science subjects.
Sana, social sciences की जब हम बात करते हैं, which type of social science subjects do you think are now very beneficial for students? अब जो एक नया ट्रेंड है, बच्चे साइकोलॉजी पढ़ना चाहते हैं, लॉ पढ़ना चाहते हैं, पेरेंट्स बहुत ज्यादा उसमें हैप्पी नहीं होते, लेकिन बच्चों का फिर भी इंटरेस्ट है. इसी तरह से what do you think आर्ट एंड डिजाइन का स्कोप है, या लिटरेचर का स्कोप है, या हमारी मीडिया साइंसेस का स्कोप है? कैन यू जस्ट पुट अ लाइट ऑन दैट?
In terms of job scope?
In terms of job and career.
Ji. So in my opinion, so what is really trending aajkal is artificial intelligence, which unfortunately is still sticking to the science sort of field, but artificial intelligence, robotics, anything that's with computer science, it's a very, very booming field, because like we just said, there's so much work happening online and virtually, and log jo hain, they want to work more from home or whatever. It's just so easy that दुनिया इतनी छोटी हो गई है that we can be in any environment and be able to be in touch and working on things. So artificial intelligence, in terms of Silicon Valley in the US या जहाँ पे भी कहीं भी ले दुनिया में, you will have a very, very strong scope in terms of job. इसीलिए आपको US में, for example, पहले अच्छा आपको 1 साल मिलता है OPT, which is 1 साल आपको मिलता है to work after you graduate from college, university मतलब. अगर आप STEM में, मतलब science, technology, engineering या mathematics में, if you do anything in that scope, then what ends up happening is कि आपको 3 साल का वो extension मिल जाता है. So you can look for a job up to 3 years and work in the US for 3 years after graduating from university, which means that they really value these sort of this skill set of sciences. But moving away from it, say you don't want to, and it's just not your thing, which is the case with, I think, honestly, majority of people, rather than कि हम अपने आप को उसी में घुसाएं, once we're able to sort of find what we are good at and we are passionate about, and that could be, I don't want to say कि मतलब अगर आप literature करें, क्योंकि आजकल news में इतना है, you know, there's so many newspapers out, or you can find a writing job anywhere. I don't want to say कि there's one field जहाँ पे आपका scope ज़्यादा होगा, because जो चीज़ में, and I know it sounds very idealistic, but जिन चीज में आप, जिस चीज में you have a huge passion in and a huge talent, you will find your own talent in it, आपको you will see कि automatically job मिल जाती है. Maybe depends, obviously corona का situation में थोड़ा changes आ रही हैं, but even in the second you follow your heart, and you follow something you truly love, you will see के रास्ते निकल आते हैं. And that's my belief on it.
और आई थिंक कि रास्ते इसलिए भी निकल आते हैं कि वो चीज़ आप दिल से करते हैं, आप उसमें बड़ा एंजॉय करते हैं. मैंने अपने करियर में व्हाट आई हैव सीन इज कि बच्चा साइंसेस लेता है एंड दे आर अनएबल टू डू वेल इन दैट. हाउएवर व्हेन दे change towards subjects of their own choice, they are brilliant in it. So how important, Sarah, do you think are grades in this whole scenario of A level, जहाँ पर हम बच्चे से एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि वो अगर 5 A stars O level में लेकर आया है तो वो 3 A stars A level में भी ले लेगा. How important do you think these grades are for a child's career? Grades हैं important, I am sure, लेकिन grades की इतनी बड़ी क्रेडिबिलिटी जहां पर हम बच्चे की पूरी पर्सनालिटी खत्म कर दें, do you think that is a fair thing to do?
You know, I'm so happy you've asked this. I'm so happy because this is the main issue. I feel कि लोगों की identity अब बन गई है कि कितने A's और A stars हैं. If you don't have those A stars, फिर आप worthy नहीं हैं इंसान. आप जो है, you're not even capable of achieving something later on. Even if it's in something you love, even if it is sciences आपके और B's आ गए या B से भी कम C's और D's आ रहे हैं, it is not at all a definition. We are basing our identity and our worth and our thought कि हम क्या करेंगे दुनिया में और जिंदगी में पूरी future के बारे में on what some grade examiner is doing halfway across the world. और वो बंदा फिर हमें grades मिल जाते हैं और फिर हम सोचते हैं कि wow, I'm very smart, yeah, देखो मैं बिल्कुल failure हूँ, या देखो I could have done so much better. There's no problem in accepting and working hard and achieving well. Of course, it's wonderful if you can. But even if you cannot, that does not mean कि मतलब आपकी that is it for you, कि आपकी जिंदगी वहीं रुक गई है. या either आप retake ले कि जब तक मैं जो भी grades ना लाऊं या मैं AKU ना पहुंच जाऊं या मैं lums नहीं पहुंचे, I will not be a worthy person. And this is what I keep seeing with teenagers these days, maybe because of social media or maybe not because of social media, but constant comparison and this need to constantly prove ourselves through grades. I don't think that's not, forget even fair, it's just not true. Because jin bachon ke straight A's, A stars bhi, they are put in the same work boat. It is the person you come out with. It is who you are that you emerge with. ये सारी चीजें निकल आती हैं. And I feel a school, for example, Reeds, or any of a very nurturing environment helps to bring that out. That is where you want educators there. An educator a true educator will never tell you that your worth or your success rate will be based on your exam score. That is just not what an educator, I think, is. And sorry, आप कुछ कह रही हैं.
I was about to ask you, Sarah, तो फिर how would we divide a college life? क्या element हैं जिसमें I'm sure grade important है, लेकिन what else are we looking at when we go into any level college? What do we want or what should a student expect to get from these 2 years?
So what I think is very important for an A-level school is one, acceptance, right? Acceptance not in terms of coming in and being admitted, but acceptance कि देखो, we understand कि आपके थोड़े बहुत, there maybe you do want to study sciences, and if we feel and being fair that we feel that this is a good field for you, we will help nurture that. But if we feel that this is maybe not the best environment or best field for you, and maybe you have excellent, जैसे English language में आपको A star मिल गया, maybe we can look into economics, so giving options and accepting the child as is rather than complete. And that doesn't mean that if you don't accept a student, I mean, I'm sure there's obviously rare cases जहाँ पे वो होंगे where a student isn't it, but if whether or not, and even when you're not accepting a student for admissions, it is also in a way that they can maybe Reeds is not the place for you. So you're just looking at a student as a human being and as a fit for Reeds and for themselves, seeing where are they in their life that we can sort of help keep nurturing them. So it's sort of like a school becomes another parent, in my opinion. ये हो जाता है, I feel.
It's true. School becomes the second home, doesn't it? Like a mother जहाँ पर उसकी छोटी छोटी सी ग्लिचेस को भी हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, वी एक्सेप्ट द फैक्ट कि ठीक है कुछ वीकनेसेस भी होंगी। एंड आई थिंक ये 2 साल की जर्नी इज वेयर दीज स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस एक्चुअली कम आउट। तो को-करिकुलर एक्टिविटी की व्हाट हाउ वुड यू सी दैट, ये जो हम बहुत से इवेंट्स करवाते हैं, एवरी कॉलेज डज इट, इवेंट्स हैं, बहुत सारी और चीजें हैं, हाउ डू यू सी दैट, हाउ डज दैट वर्क आउट फॉर अ स्टूडेंट इन अ कॉलेज?
So those are the best modes, I feel. I think that's where what differentiates a private student. And again, I understand people, there's situations where a student must go private, but the best opportunity of being in a school is where they can take part in those extracurricular activities, jump they can really be themselves, where it's not just what whatever physicist said कि ये होना चाहिए physics में और ये chemistry में ये होना चाहिए or whatever subject. It is so that Ahmed or Ryan or Fatma, whoever the student is able to sort of come out and be like, you know what, I can be this too. And I'm great at managing this, or I'm great at sort of, or I really enjoy spending time with the underprivileged. And that is where I think a lot of self-esteem, self-growth, self-discovery comes in. And a school can help provide that.
And how do universities, both in Pakistan and abroad, look at these co-curricula? उनकी acceptances क्या होती हैं versus grades? एक बच्चा अगर average grades ले ले, C's ले ले, and have wonderful co-curricular profile, would he be given some credit?
So absolutely. If you want, I mean, for the US, it's a huge part. I'd say grades ज़्यादा or extracurriculars ज़्यादा. They're very, very outside of the classroom oriented. कि आप और क्या है, आप they want to know about the person. And even other countries, be it Canada, UK, जहाँ पे भी है, जहाँ पे Canada, UK वगैरह में आपको वैसे तो इतने there's not many scholarship opportunities, but if you do want to apply for a scholarship, for example, at University of British Columbia or at U of T or McGill or any of these places, they want to see what you have done and how you've contributed to society and how close you are to achieving what you really want to, not in terms of your final career, but what you want to achieve in your academics. So say I'm somebody who is, I'll use a very unique sort of example, but say I'm into dramatic arts, like I enjoy theater. Or मैं कहूँ कि मतलब मैं हूँ, I enjoy theater and it's something. Now that's something that we can't do an A-level subject for, right? But it does show that you're somebody who's very confident in front of people. And then through that, I'm able to sort of be like, and say I can do maybe a play with the underprivileged in society. Street children ko la ke, I can do like organize a small play, video record it, send it across, get some money for it, and through charity, and actually better the world. It's actually not a very difficult, not too difficult of an initiative. Matlab, it's a very realistic one. But that initiative, that sort of sense of कि मतलब मैं कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ, and I can make a change, that is where a university will be like, why not invest in this person? Well, BB ho ya jo bhi hai, even if they still have that kind of leadership quality that we want to see, because universities bhi apna thappa bhi they want to see around the world. So jab apna thappa they'll see that the student is being able to grow into some fantastic, why not? And I think I use the example कि जैसे black hole का जो discovery with the sound, when you could hear the collapsing of the sound क्या कहते हैं, of the black hole. We'll all remember it as a Harvard graduate. We won't remember the person's name, so to say. So a university really, really wants to get their name out there, and through that, they try to see कि आप grades के अलावा आप और क्या हैं.
तो ये जो स्किल डेवलपमेंट है सारा, दिस जो मेरा अब तक का एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, आई हैव ऑलवेज फाउंड कि यूनिवर्सिटी जाके आप ये डेवलप नहीं करते, इनको आप होन इन करते हैं. ए लेवल के अंदर आप एक्चुअली इनको डिस्कवर कर रहे होते हैं और आप इनके ऊपर काम कर रहे होते हैं. सो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि एक ए लेवल कॉलेज के अंदर ये जो वर्ड लीडरशिप है, that is one place where A level college plays the most important part. Am I right there?
Absolutely, absolutely. Just back to the initial talk about how an A-level school is, it's taking a child, basically. You're entering into a more mature adult-like situation. And in that, you are able to sort of see, what am I good at? outside it ठीक है हमें grades वगैरह वो उससे पता चल जाता है subject choice का, but outside of that what am I good at? And then an A level school then helps nurture them. Okay, oh look, you have these sort of 15 entities जो आप join कर सकते हैं, and you can sort of get elected into whatever chair of the group या जो भी है, depends on how the A level school works. But then that, and through that the school supports it because they have a whole department that's oriented towards that. And that is something that's it's honestly, I think, one of the most powerful years in one's life, because it helps to help you emerge before you then enter your university. जहाँ पे या आप बाहर जाते हैं, या even if you're in Karachi or even in Lahore or anywhere, you're sort of outside of what your घर का बचपन से आप निकल चुके हैं अब. You're out of, it's called the empty nest को माओं को बेचारों को, they have to deal with that syndrome के बच्चे अब निकल गए. So that sort of thing is that an A level helps to smooth that transition.
Because A level is actually a transition, isn't it? जो आपका ट्रांजिट पीरियड होता है, आप ट्रैवल जब करते हैं अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंचने के लिए, तो आई थिंक आपकी जर्नी का जो सबसे मजेदार हिस्सा होता है वो आपका वो ट्रांजिट वाला होता है, बिकॉज यू नो दैट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी देयर फॉर लॉन्ग. सो वट एवर इज देयर यू आर एक्सप्लोरिंग. Sara, in your experience as a counselor and a life skill coach, tell me, how does the child make these skills become stronger? वो अपने skills को कैसे ढूंढे, उसे कैसे पता चले कि उसको कौन सा चीज actually उसकी leadership quality को enhance करती है, और फिर उसके ऊपर काम करे, क्योंकि बच्चा है. हम देखते हैं कि from 16-year-old baby, I think of a 16-year-old as a baby. They will not agree. I hope these 16 years are not listening to me, but they are babies at the end of the day. और उससे 16.5 साल में वो एक बड़ा groomed, mature बच्चा बन जाता है. How do they find out? How do they look around themselves and see कि हाँ ये चीजें हमें करनी है और यही चीजें हमें आगे ले जाएंगी? How does the college do?
जी, so the way I work is sort of more with students, and I get to talk to them, and we find out a little bit about who they are. There's a few techniques that I do, but what I see in a school, what a school can provide in general, in terms of bringing that out, is a lot of nurturance. And for example, with administration like you, and with people who are so open and ready to listen, even just being there to listen, and being there to be like, okay, beta, tell me what do you like doing? Just a simple question. And outside of what your family thinks, what do you do during your free time? There's some students who love to do Lego on the side, or they've already created a blog, or they've already started doing something over the weekend that they like to do. So unke hobbies mein se pata thoda chal jata hai कि okay, what is it that they like to do? And then through that, then the school can sort of see, okay, acha, this would be, so I use the name Ahmed. Ahmed would work maybe great with the, this medical camp that we are working with now. And maybe he'd love to, because he loves to work with children, he can do the children's side of it. So, I mean, it's just a little bit about being that, like we've talked about, being that parent and being that listener and that acceptor. Okay, look, tell me who you really are, without worrying कि अच्छा मैं क्या सोचूंगी and दूसरे क्या सोचेंगे. And that acceptance, that sort of freedom and safety, I feel वो बच्चा खुद ही बता देता है कि क्या. And it's a very powerful moment when that happens.
So then the college's job is to ensure कि कोई भी बच्चा कोई सा भी आइडिया लेकर आए, सुन लें, उस आइडिया को उसके साथ शेयर करके, उस पर डिस्कस करके, ताकि वो आगे बढ़ सके. So Sara, in past 4 or 5 years, what I have seen is that a number of people on social media are very vocal on the fact कि जी आप कॉलेज मत जाइए, आपके 2 साल वेस्ट हो जाएंगे, आपका टाइम वेस्ट होगा, आप सुबह 8 बजे जाएंगे, आप शाम को 4 बजे आएंगे. How do you see that? Is that a waste of time? ठीक है, 3 periods हैं, which means के 3 subjects हैं, 3 periods होंगे, 3 hours होंगे, but do you think that's a waste of time to go to a formal college?
It's so sad, to be honest, to hear that, because I can't even imagine anyone using education as a waste of time, right? I mean, तालीम आपको किसी तरह भी मिल जाए. I think it's just it's such quality time spent. So when you have an A-level college, they're specializing in that level, right? There's nothing better than that versus a and there are schools, pre-K or jo bhi nursery se leke A-levels tak they do. But I feel when you're very specific to A-levels, that is like it's sort of like a dream. It's sort of like, acha, 2 saal jo hai, I'm being focused on. And just and this level of my life is being focused on and is really being given the attention that I need right now. Whereas there's a chaplain, the principal's worried about the several other situations or other students. And those who say about private education, and yes, you can get the grades to private school, through taking your exams privately, absolutely. But the friendships that one makes in high school, I know it sounds like, sort of doston nahi banane aaye, but the friendships and just because you're in that identity. I've graduated from some place where we have shared that sort of bond in terms of we've come together, we've sort of struggled together, and now we're going to graduate together. That's one part of it, which I think really is important for that age level. The second part is where I think that in terms of private with private candidates, that they unfortunately don't get the opportunity is this extracurricular education. It's not just exams. Like you and I know, Nina, is that how much can one focus on just A level or A's and B's in life? It's going to be so much more than that. So I think that is what the main emphasis can be when one is deciding इसके मुझे और क्या मिल रहा है education से सिवाय ये grade जो मैं ले आऊँगा और मैं कहाँ पहुँचूँगा ये grades के साथ.
I think एजुकेशन की डेफिनेशन जो हम इस वक्त दे रहे हैं, शायद यहाँ पे कहीं पे एक मिस्टेक आ गई है, बिकॉज आई थिंक वी हैव डिसाइडेड कि एजुकेशन स्पेशली ए लेवल एंड फाइनल ईयर्स ऑफ ओ लेवल मीन ग्रेड्स ओनली. जो हम शुरू में इनिशियल पे बात कर रहे थे कि ग्रेड्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट बट ग्रेड्स कांट बी द ओनली थिंग. They have to be part of a system, not the only thing. So सारा जब हम प्राइवेट पे और फॉर्मल एजुकेशन पे या प्राइवेट पे और एक कॉलेज एजुकेशन पे बात करते हैं और हम कहते हैं कि कॉलेज का पार्ट है, कॉलेज का काम है बच्चों को वो सपोर्ट देना जो उन्हें को करिकुलर में चाहिए. फ्रेंडशिप्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मैंने अपने 33 इयर्स के करियर में एक चीज नोट की है कि जो कॉलेज के 2 साल होते हैं ना, इनकी दोस्तियां कभी नहीं खत्म होती. दे आर फॉर एवर फ्रेंड्स. So how much do you think colleges are actually fulfilling this? Are they actually grooming students and making them what they should? उनकी एक holistic grooming हो रही है या colleges भी upgrade की rat race में लग गए हैं?
So you're saying in terms of what colleges expect or how they value?
Yes, what colleges expect as well, and what colleges are doing as well. Are colleges doing what they are supposed to do?
So in terms of the A-level colleges or universities?
In terms of the A-level college, since मेरा experience A-level का ज़्यादा है, आपका भी A-level का पे ज़्यादा आपने काम किया है, O से ज़्यादा A-level की ये जो 2 years की एक journey है, इसमें colleges अपना role किस हद तक पूरा करें? Are they doing it or are they just letting the children go wherever they want to go?
It's I have to be very careful answering this because I do work with.
I know. I have asked you a very difficult question.
I have to be very careful.
If I had been in your place.
I love it. No. So in this, I'll be honest. I will very be very. There are some colleges that I think are doing a fantastic job, right? Where there's, they're really looking into what it is that universities want, and more than that, just getting a little bit of awareness in terms of students themselves. Because there's now, I think people are wanting to adapt. There's younger people or, just that new age generation. There are unfortunately though, some schools I feel that really are struggling with this and are still stuck in the idea that education is something that is, sorry, I have my son there. But education is, can you give me 1 second?
I can.
It's like that as well. One moment.
While Sarah comes back, tending to the baby, who is very important. After all, जिंदगी हमारी बच्चों से शुरू होके बच्चों पे खत्म होती है. हमें ये सोचना पड़ेगा कि हम एज टीचर्स, हम एज स्कूल एडमिन, हम एज पेरेंट्स, हम क्या अपने बच्चे को वो सब कुछ दे रहे हैं जो हम चाहते हैं कि वो पलट कर हासिल कर ले. हम ये तो एक्सपेक्टेशन उस बच्चे के साथ लगा लेते हैं कि अच्छा भाई आप एज ले आइए, अच्छा भाई आप हर को करिकुलर में चले जाइए, लेकिन क्या हम वो सब कुछ कर रहे हैं? सारा बताएंगी हमें कि क्या हम वो सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. जी सारा, ओवर टू यू.
I must have been saved because I was trying to avoid the complete
I
answer
was
to
posing
this.
questions
But I
from the
will be
public.
honest. I will be. Like I believe that there are a majority, unfortunately, of schools that are still stuck in that mind frame के grades हैं, जो बच्चा पढ़ रहा है पढ़ने दो, जो भी जितने भी tuitions कर रहा है पढ़ने दो. I mean, it's not, there's no education left, which is very, very painful to see because now it's sort of like school चल रहा है तो जैसे चल रहा है चलने दो, जो कितने सालों से चल रहा है वैसे ही. And because parents also have very few choices and they don't know, and they try to go according to it, maybe seeing it, what has worked for them in the past, or maybe seeing what has worked for friends, and they see that this is it. I mean, there's very few schools like yours, to be very honest, that actually is emphasizing you, meaning the student. And that sort of environment is, I mean, I think it's so fortunate that your students have that, but the majority still have that that mindset कि ठीक है नहीं मतलब बस A's lao, whatever it is, just bring those A's, and that is it. And those students end up getting very stuck. And the other schools, there are some A11 schools which aren't helping. They're not enforce, or at least giving those children, they are also going along with that mindset कि हाँ बस A's लाओ and हमारा भी अच्छा नाम हो जाएगा, हमारा भी अच्छा नाम हो जाएगा, and whatever you do afterwards, हाँ बस you can figure that out on your own. And that is just, again, when we're talking about taking babies, 16-year-old babies, and trying to bring out that better lifestyle for them and that better life for them, and where we're trying to bring them up and let them out as like adults into university, how is this going to help? Then at that, in schools like that, then yes, I will say that I don't feel it's worth it. Then I don't feel, then you're just, it's the same as private. But when you have places like Reed, or you have places like on the, there's I feel a good, handful of top universities, or sorry, top colleges that care. That I feel is something that the students have that opportunity to work on. And I think I've lost Naina. So I will continue. I think it's we're still going on. We'll just hold on for a second until Naina reaches.
Can you hear me, Sarah?
Yes, we're back. We're back.
I think technology का वाहिद glitch यही है कि you can go on and off. Sarah, I was about to ask you this question कि yeah, I understand बहुत सारे colleges हैं जो सिर्फ grade focus करते हैं, grade oriented होते हैं. उसमें किस हद तक parents की involvement है? How much do you think parents are giving us this problem as well?
So, parents I feel bad for because their intentions are good. Right? I don't think any parent is out to apne bachche ka, they don't want to see them succeed. The unfortunate part is that parents are coming from a background from where they have had that education ke grade sab kuch hai. Sirf grade se aapki zindagi banegi. And that is may have worked at some point. I don't even think in the past it worked all the time, but it was something that was ingrained in that generation of parents. Okay, but that is the only way. It just A से B तक पहुंचना है, तो यही है. You can only get those grades and you will be able to achieve it accordingly. Now, there, when you see with life or with anything, the line is rarely ever straight. There's different ways of reaching that point of success. And what ends up happening is that those grades and that this pressure that we put on our children, कि मतलब अभी you have to bring it, that child feels what we had talked about earlier, कि then there is no chance of success if I do not get it.
Parents do this, they put this pressure on because they too are under pressure, aren't they? Society उनके ऊपर ये pressure डालती है. मेरे भाई के बच्चे के ये grades आए थे और बहन के बच्चे के ये grade आए थे. Because when I am talking to parents और मैं बच्चे से उनसे कहती हूँ कि ठीक है, C सही है, C पे आप खुश हो जाएं, वो कहते हैं नहीं जी ये आप नहीं समझती, हमारे घर में बड़ा कोई हंगामा हो जाएगा. I think society का pressure है, लेकिन किस हद तक, to what limit are we going to let our children be the victim of society's adherence? I think it's time जहाँ पर हम बच्चे को बच्चे की हिसाब से जीने भी दें और बड़ा भी होने दें. I'm not saying कि discipline नहीं होना चाहिए, but how much discipline do you think is required? Or, and when I say discipline, I don't mean that bacha should be breaking chairs and everything, but that other discipline of subject and discipline of mind. How much discipline do you think is required when he is at this age or she is at this age?
So in terms of discipline, or are we talking in terms of getting their grades, or in general?
Getting their grades and also trying to talk about certain elements जिसको हम बाज़ दफ़ा बदतमीजी समझ लेते हैं और बदतमीजी नहीं होती है, वो उस बच्चे की के दिल की आवाज़ होती है. He wants somebody to answer that. So वो भी हम डिसिप्लिन के अंदर डाल देते हैं ना, हम हर चीज को डिसिप्लिन के अंदर डाल देते हैं. बच्चा शुड नॉट बी सेइंग थिंग्स जो उसकी फैमिली के अगेंस्ट जा रहा हो या कॉलेज की किसी के अगेंस्ट जा रहा हो. डू यू रियली थिंक वी नीड टू पुट सो मच प्रेशर ऑफ डिसिप्लिन एंड व्हाट सोसाइटी वुड से, व्हाट द वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग टू से? ये इतना इंपॉर्टेंट होगा क्या इस लाइफ में, इस 2 साल की जिंदगी में उस बच्चे के लिए?
Yeah, absolutely. I think there's one beautiful part of our Pakistani society is of respecting elders and of this community environment और ये सारी चीजों का जो बहुत है. And I do feel that there is a benefit of that because we are a very social environment that way, right? We will look at कि मतलब नानी का भी देखेंगे, दादी का भी देखेंगे, we'll always सलाम करेंगे एक दूसरे से. So there is that. With that, I wouldn't call that discipline, but we do have एक किस्म की तहजीब, right? We do have that etiquette and expectation, which is
ये तो कल्चर हो गया ना, कल्चरल वैल्यूज हो गए. ये तो हमारे कल्चरल वैल्यूज हो गए जहाँ बच्चा बदतमीजी आपसे नहीं करता, लेकिन अगर वो आपसे क्वेश्चन कर ले कि अब्बा मैंने साइंसेस ही क्यों पढ़नी है, वुड यू थिंक ऑफ दैट? बिकॉज आई हैव हैड दीस केसेस जहाँ बाप कहते हैं नहीं जी मैंने कहा है मैं इंजीनियर हूँ, दादा इंजीनियर थे, तुम भी इंजीनियर बनोगे, और बच्चा कहते हैं मैंने आर्टिस्ट बनना है, मैंने आर्किटेक्ट बनना है. यू थिंक दैट इज समथिंग जिसको हम डिसिप्लिन के अंदर डालते हैं?
So when that happens, and that happens very often, again with the parents' best intention, but the problem with that is that the child will eventually, maybe उस वक्त नहीं, maybe exams के बाद में, but there will be one point in that child's life when they're an adult or when they're even in their 20s where they will rebel and or where they can go into depression. This is the most common reason why people often end up going into depression is because they're not able to reach their parents' expectations. Because parents have told them that this is the right way, and if you only do it this way, you will receive love, you will receive acceptance, and you will receive success. And the second the child starts questioning that and starts constantly wanting something outside of that, but is constantly told, "Nahi, that's not right," then the child who becomes an adult eventually cannot accept themselves and will end up doing things which are going to either be self-harm. It could be physical self-harm, or it could be emotional self-harm. Or they will do things where they will get into relationships that aren't good for them. They will be unhappy in their jobs. They get a severe clinical depression. This is most often the case. And it's sad because again, parents want the best, but this is a time now where parents now have to reassess, okay, what is success for them? What do they really want for their child? A parent, even in all of these grades, कि ये भी चाहिए, you know, ऐसे होना चाहिए बच्चे को, इस तरह का school जाना है, whatever they have in mind, the main aim, the final goal, कि मेरा बच्चा जो है वो खुश है, मेरा बच्चा जो है with all the success, whatever, eventually कि उनको सुकून मिले और वो खुश रहे. So that is what a parent needs to reassess कि ठीक है, मेरे बच्चे को मैं कैसे खुश करूं? How can I actually help that child get that happiness? Rather than think that this is the only way, that is it. When we keep asking, हाँ, अगर grades मिलेंगे तो फिर university में acceptance मिलेगी, अगर acceptance मिलेगी तो अच्छी job मिलेगी, अगर अच्छी job मिलेगी तो फिर पैसे मिलेंगे, अगर पैसे मिलेंगे तो अच्छी बीवी या मियाँ मिलेंगे, जो बच्चे का भी अच्छा होगा, और फिर आखिर में बूढ़े होके बंदा खुश होगा. Now, in that whole process, thinking along that, if the end goal is happiness, if the end goal is sukoon, how can one actually help bring that out now? Rather than waiting all that and going through trial and error and maybe losing out that child in the meantime, emotionally, because of all of the anger, whatever that might come out later on. How can we do that right now?
Which means that सक्सेस की डेफिनेशन चेंज हो गई है ना. सक्सेस इज नो लॉन्गर डूइंग द सेम थिंग के तालीम हासिल की, तालीम हासिल करके ग्रेड्स लिए, ग्रेड लेके नौकरी मिली, नौकरी के बाद बीवी या मियाँ मिला, फिर बच्चे मिले, फिर बूढ़े हो गए, फिर मर गए. सक्सेस का मतलब कुछ खुशी, कुछ सेल्फ सेटिस्फेक्शन, कुछ सेल्फ अटेनमेंट होना चाहिए या नहीं सारा.
That's it.
So आई थिंक कॉलेजेस की एक जॉब अब पेरेंटल एजुकेशन भी होनी चाहिए. कुछ ना कुछ हद तक हमें पेरेंट्स के साथ सेशंस करने चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं पेरेंट का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू समझ सकती हूँ. मैं एज अ पेरेंट, जब व्हेन माय डॉटर्स वर इन ओ लेवल, मैंने उन्हें साइंसेस पढ़ाई जबरदस्ती, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि इससे तुम्हारे ऑप्शंस खुले रहेंगे. आई रियलाइज्ड नाउ कि नहीं, दे शुड हैव हैड व्हाट दे वांटेड टू डू. And I think I learned when it was my son's time and I allowed him to do whatever he wanted to. लेकिन parents को समझाना भी I think कुछ हद तक college का काम होना चाहिए. What do you think?
Of course. And working with parents, it's just the awareness. Again, a parent doesn't want to hurt their child. They don't want to see their child unhappy. But just with the school, working with the parent, फिर parent को फिर थोड़ी awareness हो जाती है कि अच्छा, ये भी अच्छा, अगर हम सुन ले तो बच्चा बिल्कुल, मतलब they won't fall on their face immediately. Like now we can actually listen to them, and that sense of respect जो बच्चे के लिए भी आ जाती, that is something that I think a school can help bring about, because parents are scared. They don't know. दुनिया इतनी जल्दी बदल रही है कि we, you know, as a parent, as you see, I'm a parent as well. We don't know what it is to sort of expect now, and what it is that, you know, where our children should go. Options, itni cheezein badal rahi. When a school can sort of help support that and be like, look, we're here with you, just work with us, then that sort of, it's like having three parents or whatever. It's like having a whole safe sphere जिसमें वो बच्चा फिर वो grow कर सकता है.
So at the end of the day तो हम यही कहेंगे ना कि है तो ट्राई का ही. It's the college, the child, the parent जिसका focal point बच्चा है, and that child should be nurtured both by the college and by the parents and also by the society. So as we conclude this thing, what would you advise these teenagers as they embark on this journey? क्योंकि अब ये टाइम है जहाँ बच्चे इस जर्नी अपनी A level की जर्नी स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. What would your advice be? टेक्नोलॉजी ग्लिच है, जब तक हम सारा वापस ऑनलाइन आती है हमारे साथ. ये एक क्वेश्चन है जो हमें पूछना चाहिए अपने आप से, एज पेरेंट्स, एज टीचर्स. उनको भी पूछना चाहिए जो आज इस जर्नी के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, अपने A लेवल के बारे में सोच रहे हैं. हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या हैं, हमारी लिमिटेशंस क्या हैं, हमें कौन से स्किल्स पे काम करना है और हमें किन स्किल्स के ऊपर काम नहीं करना. हम कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं इस जर्नी के साथ, हमारी फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन क्या है. क्या ग्रेड्स हमें खुश करेंगे तो हमें ग्रेड्स लेने चाहिए, क्या हमें को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज खुश करेंगी? हमें उन को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में भी चूज करना पड़ेगा, लाइफ को बैलेंस करना पड़ेगा। ग्रेड्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। एक बहुत बहुत पढ़े लिखे इंसान ने ये बात आज से 2 साल पहले मुझसे कही थी कि इनको 3 हिस्सों में बांट दीजिए, ग्रेड्स, को करिकुलर एक्टिविटी और वो जो कुछ कॉलेज से आप हासिल करते हैं, अपनी जिंदगी से हासिल करना चाहते हैं। और इन तीनों चीजों को जब हम बैलेंस करके चलेंगे तभी हम सक्सेसफुल होंगे, तभी हम खुश होंगे। ग्रेड्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इस पूरे सेशन से ये मत समझिएगा कि ग्रेड्स की इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है, ग्रेड्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, लेकिन ग्रेड्स सब कुछ नहीं है। ग्रेड्स के साथ और चीजों पे भी काम कीजिए इन 2 सालों में। इसमें अपने को करिकुलर्स को मत साइड पे रखिए, अपने सोशल इंटरेक्शंस को साइड पे मत रखिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स को साइड पे मत रखिए। टॉक टू देम, टॉक टू योर टीचर्स, बिकम व्हाट यू वांट टू बिकम। इन 2 सालों में अपने को करिकुलर्स को, अपने एकेडमिक्स को, अपने ओवरऑल सारी चीजों पे इतनी मेहनत कर लीजिए, इतना टाइम लगा दीजिए, क्योंकि याद रखिए एक दफा यूनिवर्सिटी चले जाओगे तुम सारे के सारे, वहां पर इतनी मोहब्बत से कोई नहीं पूछने वाला। वहां कोई नहीं पूछेगा कि बेटा ग्रेड क्यों नहीं आ रहा, बेटे को करिकुलर एक्टिविटी में हिस्सा क्यों नहीं ले रहे हो, बेटा तुम्हारी कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट का क्या हालचाल है। ये वो 2 साल होते हैं जहां पर आप सफर करते हैं फ्रॉम बीइंग अ चाइल्ड टू बीइंग एन यंग अडल्ट, जहां यूनिवर्सिटी में जाने के बाद आप बहुत सारी चीजें सीखते हैं। We are hoping that Sara will come back for her concluding remarks. लेकिन इस सेशन से आपने जो कुछ भी सीखा है, आई एम सॉरी हमने आपके सवालों के शायद जवाब नहीं दिए होंगे, लेकिन you are very welcome to post these questions with us. Sara, are we back?
Yes, we are back.
Okay,
We are
Sara,
back.
okay, Sara, for your advice to the A-level students.
जी
जी Sara, your advice to the ones who are already in this journey halfway through and the ones who are just starting, क्या advice करेंगी?
Ji, I'm so sorry, Naila. I think there's something wrong with this audio because I'm trying to hear you, but it's not coming loud.
Acha, I can hear you, Sara. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you very lightly.
Right,
I'm not sure why, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's go with it. We'll go with it.
ठीक है।
जी जी, अब आप बोलिए, अब आप पूछिए।
मेरा क्वेश्चन बात ये थी कि एज वी कम टू द कंक्लूजन ऑफ दिस सेशन, अगर आप ए लेवल की वो बच्चे जो अभी अपने जर्नी के हाफ वे पर हैं, एएस से ए लेवल में आ गए हैं और वो जो अब अपना एएस की जर्नी स्टार्ट करेंगी, उनके लिए कंक्लूडिंग एडवाइस क्या देंगी?
So regarding going halfway, right, to AS or A2 छोड़ देने, I don't recommend that ever. I very very rarely do. अगर कोई ऐसे कोई बहुत सा वो हो like a very कोई emergency situation, I sort of understand. But otherwise, having an A2, not having an A2 level means you don't have a complete level of education. It means you're leaving halfway in between your education. और आपका जो हाई स्कूल डिप्लोमा होता है, which is basically your equivalent of any school degree, कि आपने graduate किया है, वो फिर आपको नहीं मिलेगा. And that is something that jobs, you know, even when I look for a job, they sometimes ask me for my high school degree, or if when you're applying for your master's degree, they need it then. So even if you manage to get by in your undergraduate, okay, for your applications, क्योंकि कुछ schools accept कर लेते हैं, foundation year कर लेते हैं या कुछ भी, it is not considered a complete level of education. So I will always give that warning to parents कि please, even अगर आपको immigration कहीं मिल रही है या जहाँ पे भी, try to extend it कि आपका A2 पूरा खत्म हो जाए. And that 1 year of education, yes, maybe it's an investment of time and money, but it is definitely worth it wherever you are playing, be it Pakistan, US, UK, wherever.
Thank you, Sara. You have been wonderful. Thank you for giving us this time. I know it's not fair छोटे से बच्चे के साथ इस लेट नाइट में हमने आपको तंग किया. Thank you so much for being with us, and we hope that you will be once again our guest for these sessions. Thank you
Thank you so much, Naila. I've really enjoyed talking, and thank you for tolerating the little one. Yes, thank you so much.
Not at all. The little ones are the best ones. And with this, ठीक है जी. And with this, we come to the end of our first session, first of Ramzan. We will continue every week on Saturdays with these sessions. If you have your own ideas about what you would like us to talk about, let us know. We will have a new guest next week. See you then. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Have a very, very healthy and good.
As to you too, inshallah.
See you. Allah Hafiz.